Oh.
Hi, I'm Kaylee.
Hi, I'm Cameron.
And welcome to Good Drinks. Today we are talking exclusively about Hamilton Beach Black Two-Way Blender. My mistake. Brewer. It's only $80.99 with a 5-star rating. So it makes 12 cups of coffee. It has auto shut off, and it doesn't use a battery. You plug it in, so it's pretty cool, I guess. And so what you do is, like, here you pour your water, and here you pour your coffee. Coffee beans crushed up, and then right here is your pot of coffee, and right here is where you can make a little to-go cup of coffee. Cameron? Okay. So now she's gonna pour the coffee. Good job, Cameron. Yeah. It's not mine. Go. And after you press the button. That's the best cup of coffee I've had in a while. So, stay tuned to our next episode of what you would put inside this delicious coffee, like cream. Okay.
Or sugar.
Yeah, or both.